Hello and welcome to Z Connect's brand new episode with me Priya. So we are kickstarting today's episode with a lot of colorful updates और इसीलिए आज का question of the day भी है colors से related. तो आपको तो पता ही होगा हर कलर किसी न किसी चीज़ के साथ associated होता है. तो आज आपको मुझे बताना है which is that color that's associated with hunger. तो कौन सा वो कलर है जिसको देखकर आपको भूख लग जाती है. Keep your answers ready and then चलिए मेरे साथ to see all the updates I've lined up for you this week. So like I said, the first update for today is pretty much like the colors you see on me. Lots of reds, pinks, blues, greens and yellows. Is it not obvious yet what I'm talking about? Well yes, Holi hai. And I'm going to take you to watch the highlights of what went down at Dubai's Rugby Park at the Aqs Color Carnival. Let's check it out.
3, 2, 1,
Hello people, firstly wishing you all and the family a very happy Holi. Just to let you know, it's our first Holi event under the banner of Aqs. You won't believe, it's a packed house event. We've had a crowd of around 8,000 people, partying, enjoying, having fun. We've got food trucks, obviously color, as is a Holi. We've got manners happening out here. We've got back-to-back DJs playing out here.
बिग एफएम प्रेजेंट्स अक्स होली और यहाँ पर सुबह से रात को 8 बजे तक होली चलने वाली है और आप देख रहे हैं कि ये मुझे बात नहीं करने देंगे आपसे जी करने के लिए. होली के रंग लगते रहेंगे. अगर आप ये देख रहे हैं और अगर आपने पार्टी मिस की है तो फिर मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता हूँ कितना मजा आया है. होली मतलब मस्ती, होली मतलब फन. ये है जी कनेक्ट. मेरा नाम है गगन मुद्गल. होली है.
तो ये देखकर अगर आपका मन नहीं भरा, which I'm very sure about, तो let me take you to another Holi celebration, Rang Day 2017 that happened at Wonderland, Dubai. Let's take a look.
Happy Holi! Happy Holi! Happy Holi! Happy Holi! Happy Holi! Woo!
So that was about Holi, but we've got lots more exciting updates lined up for you, so don't go anywhere. We're back in just a bit. welcome back. So like I said, I've got something very, very exciting coming up for you now. Nissan has just launched its latest compact crossover, the Nissan Kicks, and I'm going to take you to see what it's all about. And not just that, we are also giving you a chance to win this super trendy, cool car. So let's go find out how you can do that. तो आज मैं हूँ निसान के शोरूम में एंड आई एम गेटिंग ऑल एक्साइटेड बिकॉज निसान ने लॉन्च की है अपनी लेटेस्ट क्रॉसओवर द निसान किक्स। और आप देख ही सकते हैं मैं इस गाड़ी के बिल्कुल बगल में खड़ी हूँ। इट कम्स इन दिस कूल ऑरेंज कलर विच हैपन्स टू बी माई फेवरेट, लेकिन आपके पास इससे ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस हैं चूज़ करने के लिए बिकॉज द कार कम्स इन 6 अदर कलर्स. And the car has intelligent mobility technologies, a dynamic design and class-leading premium interiors जो मैं एक राउंड लेकर आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ in just a bit. Some of the dynamic styling features of the Nissan Kicks is its V-shaped grille, LED lights and signature floating roof. The premium interior has seating for 5, zero-gravity seats and an option of fabric or leather interior. Well, it's time for you guys to get even more excited because Nissan आपको मौका दे रहा है Nissan Kicks जीतने का by sending us a simple SMS. All you have to do is type in win with ZCA and send it to 6565. Remember, more the number of SMSs, greater the chances to win. So take your phones out and get SMSing. So now that you know how you can be one of those lucky ones to get your hands on the brand new Nissan Kicks, let me take you to our next story of the week, जहाँ UAE में बैठे-बैठे मैं आपको करवाऊंगी गोवा की सैर. Well, I'm talking about the Viva Goa Carnival that recently happened in Abu Dhabi and was filled with loads of authentic Goan food and music by Goan bands that let you experience the true spirit of Goa here in the UAE. Let's go watch a few highlights.
Hi, a very good afternoon and welcome to the Viva Goa Viva Carnival event here in Abu Dhabi. I am Conrad Cairo and the founder of Razmataz, who's managing this event along with our team, the Abu Dhabi Goans here in Abu Dhabi. I would like to introduce my colleagues, Drefford from La Vida, the Goan band in Abu Dhabi, and my co-host Parvez, who's one of our MCs. This is the fourth year we have been having this event in Abu Dhabi. The whole idea of this event is to have the Goan culture here in Abu Dhabi, far away from Goa. So it is to celebrate the culture, the traditions far away from home. And as you see, the background, which is so colorful, we have loads of music, loads of performers. We have flown in one of the best bands, Forefront from Goa as well.
Hi, my name is Belinda and I've been in the UAE for the past almost 10 years now. And this is the first time that I'm attending such an event called Carnival in UAE actually in Abu Dhabi. So I'm all excited about it because I'm going to meet a lot of new people. I'm going to meet a lot of known people as well. So it's really going to be fun, I guess. So I look forward to it. Thank you.
So that was Viva Goa for you.
How did you approach your character in the film?
We've had our discussions with Vikram sir, the whole team actually, and apart from preparing about the character background and the whole character sketch, the whole process was actually quite organic. Also as an actor, it's a very different film. Nobody has actually attempted something like this before, about a guy who's not eating or drinking water for almost 3 weeks. So as an actor, I thought I won't be able to really imagine how would my body look or feel if I really don't eat for 10 days or 15 days. So I thought I'll keep it very organic. I'll take every day as it comes. And also we were shooting in sequence. So once we were in the house, once I was stuck, I actually stopped eating and drinking water. So then everything became very organic, very natural. I was just reacting in the moment, trying to live every moment very truthfully.
Regarding that non-eating, we have heard that you've undergone a strict diet to get under the skin of this character. So how difficult was it?
It was tough. It was very challenging, but I think very satisfying. I have never pushed myself to this extreme for any of my characters prior to Trapped. You feel very angry, you feel very frustrated when you're not eating, but I think that was something which was needed for this part, for this film. And no complaints. I think if given a chance, I'll do it again and again.
And what about your upcoming projects?
So apart from Trapped, which is releasing this Friday, there's Bareilly Ki Barfi with Ashwini Iyer Tiwari. There's Behan Hogi Teri with Shruti Hassan. Then there's Newton, which is going to a lot of festivals and actually winning a lot of awards. Then there's Omerta with Hansel sir, with Hansel Mehta.
Time for a short break now, and we're going to be back with our Z Family segment. So stay tuned. Welcome back. So it's time now to meet our Z Family for this week, which is one of you lovely viewers out there. Let's go find out what they like, what they don't like, what do they love to do on weekends, what do the kids love to eat. Let's go find out all. Family of the week है Mr. and Mrs. Syed and their two little lovely boys Ehab and Arham. Welcome to Z Connect Season 6. It's so lovely to be with you all. Syed, tell us a bit about your family.
I've been married for last 10 years, been in Dubai for the last 12 years. I come from India, from Karwar. It's in coastal Karnataka. So happily married with two boys. We enjoy out here.
Okay, so Deepti, you got married to Syed and you moved to Dubai, but you guys had a love marriage. You all met in college. That's what Syed was telling me a while back. So tell me how it was all like, and how were your wedding ceremonies like?
Actually, long time, as in we must have met in 1998 or something, and our courtship began in 2001. And yeah, from then onwards, convincing families and all was a challenge, of course. But yeah, things were okay because we had a marriage, both his style and our style.
Okay, let's talk to your two little lovely boys. Okay, Arham, first we will ask you. Tell me first, how old are you?
I am 3.
You're 3. And you go to school?
Yes.
Which school?
That's very good.
You have friends? Who's your best friend?
Gavin.
Gavin. Okay, fine. Okay, we talk to your brother now. Tell me, which class do you go to?
3N. I go to 3N.
Oh, okay. That's good. And you also go to Gems Wellington.
Yes, Gems Wellington Academy at WSL.
And I've heard you sing also. You like singing?
Yeah, I've been to Saregamapa,
Little Champs. Wow, very nice. So, will you sing something for us?
Okay.
Okay, so come on, sing.
दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 को दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को bye 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 bye.
Okay, so tell me, how are your typical weekends like in Dubai?
we love going out. We do a lot of camping. We go out with friends. So we do camp around Jabal al-Jais, Musandam. We go around on the beaches here. Kids love it, going to beaches. So yeah, we do spend a lot of time outside.
Yeah, so you have a lot of family and friends living here that you take along with you?
We do, yes.
Okay. Out of all the places you all have visited so far, which is your most favorite place, Deepti?
Yeah, like the way I said, London was my favorite for some time because I've stayed a long time there, and the weather was good because it was summertime. And but recently when we went to Thailand, I like that place as well. Shopping out and yeah, kids were good there, so it was good.
Right. I can see Arham is munching on some chocolates.
Yeah, why don't you
like
join
he's
us in the
hungry.
kitchen so we do something for them. Take up this the Puk cheese, and I really put a lot of quantity because of the fact that the children are really fond of it.
So our pasta is ready and it's
Already,
looking
yeah.
and smelling so delicious. Can we start serving it, please?
Yeah.
More than Ehab and Haram, I think I'm getting excited to eat it.
I'm sure they are also here around just because of the aroma of the cheese all around the place, you know.
Yeah, I could see them running out.
I know.
Out of their rooms.
Look at him. Really?
That's
nice.
a really good job done. Wow. I could tell from the smell, but yeah, it really tastes amazing. Very good. So you get a 10 on 10 for cooking.
Oh.
let's
because
find
cooking
out.
is he's the person who likes cooking, so I'm
loves
thrilled if it's
cooking.
really nice. Yeah.
Good, so he's trained you well, that means.
Oh.
Okay, time to ask Ehab. He really seems to be enjoying the pasta. Okay, finish that bite and tell me how it was. Eat Aram se.
It's so creamy and lovely. Thank you, Mom, for putting so much cheese in it. I love it.
Really? Wow. And Mama says you love vegetables also. Which is your favorite one amongst these?
Broccoli.
Broccoli?
Even
Wow.
broccoli.
Yours is cucumber, no? You told me before.
No.
No?
Yes.
Broccoli.
No, my
Okay.
cucumber.
Thank you so much, Saeed and Deepti, for having us over it was so lovely meeting these two little ones who are super naughty but super cute as well. And I'm not going to leave without Ehab singing another song for us because he sings really, really well.
Yeah,
So-
but before that, even I would like to thank you. And as I'm like glad that you liked it. And I'm
Of
like,
course,
glad that
goes
Saeed
without
is
saying.
amazing.
Goes without saying. Yeah, I can see he's wiped out his plate.
It was great. And thanks for coming.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Ehab, finish that last bite and quickly sing us a song. Come on.
मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, तुम मुझ में कहीं बाकी रहना। मुझे नींद आए जो आखिरी, तुम ख्वाबों में आते रहना। बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना, बस इतना है तुमसे कहना।
Amazing. I love how he brings out all his emotions into it when he's singing, being so little. It's very nice. Very good. Keep it up. Thank you. That was our Z family for this week. It's interesting to see how Pug cheese can actually make any dish so much more tastier, and it caters to everybody in the family. Well, you can also be featured on our Z family segment. All you have to do is write into us on our Facebook or our Twitter page. So इसी के साथ it's time for me to take your leave. पर आज के interesting सवाल का जवाब देने के बाद, so the question was, which is that color that stimulates your appetite? Well, the answer is it's the color red, and that is why you often see it on restaurant menus, logos, tablecloths and napkins. Interesting, isn't it? Let your life also be filled with lots of colors and joy. This is me, Priya, signing off, only to see you again next week on Z Connect Season 6.